friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are reviewing two new yarns. I'm so excited about them. We've got Lion Brand's Baby Soft Bouncel and Yarnspiration Bernat's Pipsqueek stripes. I am super excited about these ones. I've heard nothing but fantastic things to make baby blankets or little cardigans or anything like that. So let's swatch them up, wash them, and see what happens. Hi friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below.
Alright, so we've got the Yarnspiration Bernat Pipsqueek stripe and the Lion Brand's Baby Soft Bouncel yarn. This one already feels perfect. Like, it's so soft and fluffy. This one is also incredibly soft. Little weird texture if you have like dry spots on your fingers. They kind of feel like Sherpa material. But yeah, so let's check out the Yarnspiration Bernat Pipsqueek stripes. So this has been tested for no harmful substances, so that's kind of cool. 100% polyester, 284 yards, 280 grams. It's a bulky 5.5 millimeter hook, machine washable and dryable, which is great, especially if you're using this to make blankets for babies. And this is in the color Playdate. But it says that 3 balls. This is equal to 3 balls, so that's kind of cool. This is Baby Soft Bouncel. It's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 120 yards. It also is a bulky 5. It says to use a 6 millimeter hook. I think we're just going to use a 5.5 because that's probably what I'd use for this anyway. Or I'm sorry, a 6.5. I keep reading the knitting needles. A 6.5. Also 100% polyester. This is different though. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. Yeah, so I mean, I'm obviously going to wash and dry it. And then it breaks down 1 for a hat, 2 for a scarf, and 6 for a blanket. And this is in the color Lavender. Alright, so we'll start with the Lion Brand Baby Soft Bouncel yarn. Alright, so first with this, I want to show you. It's little loops, like little pieces sewed onto a strand. So it's a little bit different. Okay, so note on this, it is hard to find the stitches. You kind of have to feel for the loops. So like you find the loop and that's where it is. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky to find this. I mean, you might want to use a bigger hook, but I feel like it would still. This kind of reminds me of like the Gopher Faux yarn, where you just kind of have to guess where the stitches go. if that makes any sense. It doesn't pull very easily either. But I mean, it's pretty dense, like there's loops and holes in it, but like when it's together, it just looks like a solid piece. That's pretty interesting. Alright, so let's try the Yarnspiration Bernat Pipsqueaks, or Pipsqueek. Yeah, this is all around it. So this is on all sides of the strand. Okay, so this is the same concept. It's quite hard to find stitches, so you're feeling for them. And it's also pretty solid there. Like I said, there's loops and holes in here. But it's a pretty solid piece of fabric. I do feel like neither one of these would unravel. So that's a good thing. I don't feel like it'd be easy for a child to unravel it. I do feel like if you miss stitches, it would be super hard to pull it apart, to frog it and redo it. I feel like that would just get really frustrating. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash these, dry these, and see how they handle it. All right, so I just got these out of the dryer. Fun fact, this bleeds because this has like a slight pink tinge to it now. You can't really tell on camera, but there is definitely a slight tinge to this now. But I mean, they washed and dried fine. This one you can kind of see the gaps a little bit more. But that's okay. Like I'm not mad about that. This one, other than like grabbing the color, which would be different if I had thrown like a shout color catcher or something in there. Other than that, I mean, it held up really well. It's still really fuzzy. Just has a little bit of pink to it. But for both of these, I love them both. I'm really not sure which one I would pick. I love the difference, like the different ways, since this one is the little bumps on a single string and then this one is all the way around it. They do provide different textures, but I mean, I love them both. If I had to pick a winner, I'd probably go with the Pipsqueek. But this one really held its structure well when it washed and dried. This one kind of flattened a little bit, and it'll probably fluff up like as you use it. Yeah, it like fluffs up. But I mean, they both held up really well, washing and drying, so yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really love both of these, so let me know if you guys have worked with either one of them or if you have a preference on either one of them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!